All right, coach. Team was very flat today. Didn't show up. A disappointing performance overall.
Yeah, we were flat today. Disappointing for us, but I think we made some errors in the game that really kind of open in terms of how unlucky we are. But not only that, I just think we made some mistakes today. Well, based on the game plan, I think we strayed away from it a little bit. Cavalier has got the benefit in terms of the set pieces, and they were very good in the transition.
Yes, coach. Usually impregnable defense, as I said. But as I said, things that didn't go right in that aspect. Could you put any?
Yeah, I mean, not blaming anyone. I just think that we started flat. We didn't get any energy. We made some change, and we still didn't get any energy. So I mean, that's just the squad itself. I think in terms of we playing the Sunday Wednesday game with a very team squad, I think that can also affect it. But we're not looking at the excuse. We were disciplined tonight. As a group, we just have to look into it, and in terms of how we perform in both halves.
Usually, I say tight, clean sheet, but today 5. Is that damaging to morale in any way?
I wouldn't say damaging in morale, but it can be tricky. It boils down to the mentality of the player, because I think if you played 11 games and you have to defending well, and you play a 1 game and you concede 5, I don't think you should use that as a yardstick. I think we should go back to the fundamentals as a unit, and we just continue to work for each other.
Right.
Our coach.